Hi, how to install and configure AI in SQL Server 2025. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. Over 2 decades of love, dedication on database technologies. In this short video, let me show you how to install and configure AI on SQL Server. You can reach me for trainings, projects, internships, placements and job support. Me and my team, we do work 24/7 to support you and to shape your careers. Let's get started. The actual concepts how to install 2025 AI features. Here is a download link. Here is a downloaded file. I'll be including the download link in the description box of this particular video, or you may refer to my previous videos I posted in the YouTube playlist of SQL Server 2025. All you do is simply download and extract SQL Server 2025, double click on the setup file. Okay, once you double click on the setup file, you get one installation center. Proceed with the regular installation process. Make sure we select either enterprise developer or standard developer. There are 2 developer editions in SQL Server 2025. Select enterprise or standard. For AI features, enterprise is always working the best. In standard developer, I could see few limitations with respect to certain features of AI. Go for enterprise developer. Next, accept licensing terms. Accept licensing terms. Next, then we have next, uncheck Azure. It's not mandatory for AI features, just uncheck Azure and next. Here select database engine. Select database engine and AI. In case if you already installed database engine in the past, you select only AI features. This is the first step to configure AI. The second step, let's stay tuned. Let me continue. Click next. So this AI features will take somewhere around 400 MB. I repeat again, let me be clear. Go back and you will see database engine. Database engine requires about 1000 MB. This one, database engine requires about 1000 MB and around 400 MB required for AI services to create AI models and perform certain AI and of course even ML, machine learning operations using TSQL statements. Click next. Once we click next, let's wait for a few moments. Yes, here you can have the default or the named instance. I'll say SQL School AI. Give some name and click next. Any name is okay, but no space. No special characters except underscore. Remember friends, this is the first step that we are doing right now. The first step is server installation with AI features. For AI implementation to work correctly, we also need to have FILESTREAM. FILESTREAM is a server property to support big data. Enable FILESTREAM. Enable remote clients to access the FILESTREAM. Friends, remember this is mandatory. Click next. And then install. This is the first step. Install AI in SQL Server 2025 with database engine. Now second step. What is that? Let's see. Just to make it more clear and easier for you, let me just write the points here. Let me just make it clear. The question is how to install and configure AI in SQL Server 2025. This is a two-step process. Step number one will be install AI with database engine. For this purpose, for step number one, what we do? Run setup file. Select Enterprise Developer Edition. Enterprise Developer Edition. And of course, you can uncheck Azure and check Database Engine. This would take about 1000 MB space in your disk. Check AI features. This would take additionally 400 MB space in your disk. And proceed next and enable FILESTREAM. Remember, the main purpose of FILESTREAM is for big data access. Enable FILESTREAM and you are done. Simply install. Then what about the second step? Yes, here we go. Here it is. First step, download and extract SQL Server 2025. Now tool, this one tool, download SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS tool. Here again we have AI features we need to enable. Download SQL Server Management Studio and this one, friends. Once again, let me repeat, if in case you are seeing SQL Server 2025 version for the first time, I request you to refer to my previous videos. In the playlist that I posted earlier pertaining to SQL Server 2025 exclusively, double click on the SSMS. Once you double click on this SSMS, the Visual Studio installer, click continue. SSMS is shipped with Visual Studio installer now. So you need to double click and then you get one installer file. Let's wait for a few moments. Yes, here it is. Very first time, you will see something like this. Let me just take it this way. Okay. Very first time you install SQL Server, you see total 4 components, 4 workloads for SSMS. What is that? 4 workloads for SSMS. Here we go. AI assistance, hybrid and migrations, BI, business intelligence and code tools. For AI concepts to work, we need both AI assistance as well as code tools. Both are required. You may uncheck other two. We need AI assistant, main AI components. But to implement AI with Python, especially pandas, we need code tools as well with version control items or version control environment. So you need to select these two and then click on install. In my case, I'll simply select all 4. This would take about 2.67 GB space additionally and then install. So let me just take you back to my notes. So these are the actual steps we have. So download SQL Server and open or simply launch Visual Studio installer. Visual Studio installer. And then what we do, check AI assistance workload. Also check code tools workload. Remember, these two are the workloads. and that's it. Simply install. And then step number 3, restart your computer. This is how you install and configure AI in SQL Server 2025. Hope this video helps you. Please do reach me on my contact number directly, preferably on WhatsApp, for your career planning, any kind of career planning, or for any kind of upskill activities, or any kind of job support activities, or in case if you are looking for any trainings. Yes, I will be your care of address. I love it. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.